Don't forget to follow me here, and here, and here, and here, and everywhere. Links will be in the description box below. Yeah!
Hello everyone, we're doing something different today other than Dragon Ball. We're doing some taste testing on some food that we got from the gas station. These are fake food made out of what?
These are gummy candies.
Gummy candies.
Yes.
So we got 100% Tasty, the original candy burger. It has sweet candy buns, 6 cheese and sauce, 5 best candy bites, 4 candy salad, looks like a pickle, and then 1 out of 3 candy toppings. Yeah.
Okay, so I've got the candy sushi, and they have 2 candy nigiri, 2 candy ikura, 1 candy uramaki, candy kokochi, and candy California rolls. So
So what we're gonna do?
we're curious.
So what we're gonna do is open these first. Which one do you want to open first?
Let's open this one first.
All right.
You got your chopstick? I got my chopstick. So, we found this at 7-Eleven, Las Vegas.
Okay, we got it open.
Yeah, we got it open. Okay. So,
Looks like this over here is soy sauce or shoyu, but it's like licorice. I don't know. It's like string candy.
this one here.
What do you think that is? Hold it up to camera. Closer. Yeah. What do you think that
I
is?
don't know what this would be. It's red. Maybe
It's
just
ginger.
I don't think it's ginger. It's a garnish.
It's your mom. All right. So, which sushi are you gonna eat
Wait,
first?
what sushi I'm gonna eat first? Let's try.
Oh man!
I'll try this one.
That one looks like ahi tuna.
Ooh, that's my favorite.
Ahi tuna and rice.
All right, here we go. There you go. Boom.
Looks like marshmallow. What is it?
It
Let me
is
try the other half.
marshmallow.
Is that marshmallow? And what?
Sugar. Sugary. Sweet.
Freaking
Strawberry.
sour. So that's like ahi tuna. Well, I guess we'll just try the other ahi. So the rice part is like marshmallow, and then the fish part's like some kind of airhead. Not airhead. What is those?
Nori wrap.
Oh, not that bad.
Tastes like root beer and marshmallow with sugar.
And this one is a salmon sushi.
Oh, that's my favorite.
So you got salmon sushi with. So I guess all the rice is marshmallow, and then you got some kind of like Swedish fish on the top. Oh, it's hard.
Hard.
Yeah, it's hard. So it's the orange flavor Swedish fish. Yeah, it's pretty hard. Let's try some soy sauce.
It's like leather. Look at that. That's how hard it is, guys.
You want some soy sauce?
Not really.
Alright, and we have some fish eggs. This is a nigiri. It looks like a jubilee with some nuts. Oh, it's rock hard too.
Oh my gosh. Like this. Oh yeah.
I wonder what these are. Looks like more jubilees. This is like gummy bears. Tastes like my gerbil's poop. Try to taste
How
it.
would you know?
It tastes like how his cage smells. Just try to taste it. What?
Gosh, it must be bad.
You taste the smell? You do, right? It's pretty gross.
Maybe because you pointed it out.
What the hell is this, you think? Guys, if you guys know what kind of sushi this is, let me know.
Is it hard?
Not really.
It's gummy. What
It's
you
alright.
expect is gummy candy.
So we're done with the sushi.
Wait. I need to rate this.
Okay, rate it.
1 is low, 10 is high. Good. It's a 0.
What the? Wow.
I don't like it. But we have to try it.
Looks is 10.
Curiosity.
Looks is 10, but taste is like 5.
Tastes like 0. And this expires December 2019. And it's January 2019. So can you imagine if we got this in December? Would have been rock harder.
Yep. Anyways, now it's time to try the burger.
Oh, I'm not-
Open this up.
oh, I can't believe I'm swallowing all this.
Alright, so the burger looks pretty cool. Oh, it's like a Big Mac.
Oh, that's cute.
Let me take a close up of this. So it's all held together. What the hell is
Struggling there, mister?
Let me see. There we go. Look at that. Look at it. Respect it. Trying to copy the lunch twist. Alright. So this is cut into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 slices. So I guess we're gonna dissect it. So I guess 1 we're gonna dissect, and then 2 we're gonna eat it all together. Oh, the bottom has nothing. It just looks.
Oh. And this was what, $4.99 each?
Yeah. So I guess this is a bun.
Oh, so we're
I'll try the
Eating
bun.
it.
Yeah. The bun's not that bad.
you like gummies. I don't. All this
Look at this. This is a tomato. Mmm. Yeah, try the tomato.
There's only 1 tomato?
Yeah. I like the tomato.
No. Sorry I'm being a dud, but I'm not a gummy fan.
What do you think this is? No shit! What do you think it is though? Cheese.
No. I think it's tomato and cheese.
I think it's ketchup and mustard.
Oh yeah, that's true. That could be it.
Try ketchup and mustard.
Okay, since we're done with the sushi, I'm done with the chopstick.
How's the ketchup and mustard?
Not bad.
What do you think this is? Do you think this is the meat?
Definitely.
So the meat right here.
Patty. This one tastes like my vitamins. Alright, let's try it. Let me try this one.
This one's not sour at all. That's weird though. What color is this? Is this like a pickle?
It's a pickle. Obvious. No, maybe a lettuce.
Really?
I think it's a lettuce. Hey, dude.
This one's sour. Wait. This one tastes like apple.
Yeah, it does.
So I'm gonna try to
Oh,
make.
see, salad. It's salad.
I'm gonna try to make myself a burger right here. You got your salad, your meat, your tomato, your mustard and cheese, mustard and ketchup, bun, and another bun. Gummy sandwich. I don't know, that mark is probably like typical Chad.
True blue. No,
I don't think it doesn't taste that bad. So what do you rate the burger?
the burger was a little bit. The burger was more tastier than the sushi, but this tasted really bad, and that tasted really bad. Oh yeah, the human disposal. Here, you can have that. You can have that. Oh, here, finish this too. Your parents had no problem with you cleaning the refrigerator, huh? Huh, mister?
Alright, final thoughts.
Ooh, close your mouth. Final thoughts. Curiosity. It was a challenge. I'm not into gummies, so I rated it up. But go to 7-Eleven and try it out yourself.
For the price point, it's not worth it. I found better. So I rated a 2.
You rated a 2?
Yeah, I'm starting to feel sick.
Well, we got some Hawaiian food after this.
I'm starting to feel sick. I'm too sweet.
Yeah.
Anyways, guys, if you guys enjoyed videos like this, comment in the section below, and we'll make more food reviews. Anyways, don't forget to check us out on Frankie Culture social media. I'm also always posting stuff before the videos. And if you're not like this video, subscribe to my channel yet, I suggest you do. I'm always posting up cool content like these. Thanks for watching, guys! Have a great day!
Have a great day!